Hello everyone. I am going to attempt to ride this Neo scooter that I received from Amazon. Okay. Okay. Let me let this car go by. Okay. Mash and hold. And you'll see a lock come up there to let me know it's locked. That turns it off. Turn everything off. Oh, it's traffic heavy tonight. Now, see that lock? Now, I'm going to put this key over it. See that piece in that key? That's going to unlock it. That's what they're supposed to do. Unlock it. Okay. But we're going to get on here. And we're going to ride. Okay. You see? Riding. And I'm going to turn around because I don't have a helmet out here. And I'm going to ride back down. Okay. Okay. Then turn around. And turn around. Excuse me. I'm scared to go down there because dogs be down there. So I'm going back to where I started from. Okay. Back up here. Okay, is my light on? No. I don't have any light on. So I'm gonna tap. Yeah, there my light is. It's a matter of just tapping. Okay. Yeah. Go down, turn around, and go back. Then we have to get this light shining right. Because I need it to shine like the cars do on down ahead. But you see that it's cold out here tonight. It rides good and smooth. It's just the streets need fixing. Okay? But you can download the app, and the app with you can work it by your phone. Now it's gonna be a little bump because it's a driveway. Okay. All right. Ooh. I want to go over in the wood. Okay. Go back where I was. Back up to the top. Ooh. Oh. That was me, not the scooter. Okay. Now, I think that did it. You see how everything is. Now, look at the headlights. See? The headlights are on. The blue light is running. Top to bottom. Under the deck also. See the blue light? And then the light back here. Okay. Whew. Let me show you something else. Oh, how to let it down. Oh, this is my bell. See, it has a bell. Has the brakes here. This is how you turn it off right here. You work everything from here, but you can use your phone if you download the app. And this is where it accelerates. Match this here, okay? Oh, excuse me. It's just cold out tonight. And there's the kickstand. You see that? Okay. And this is how you let it down. Is with this button, this little latch here. You pull this all the way, see? All the way down. It's gonna snap. Listen for the snap. You heard that? And you let it down. Just that easy. And you pick it up from here. And you put it in your car or wherever you're going. I gotta take it back upstairs in the house. In the same way that you let it down, you let it up. You have to go back up under there, up under here, where my hand is, and pull that latch all the way down to let it up. See? Easy breezy. Now, to turn it off, watch this here. Turn it off. Just match and hold. Everything off. The lights are off. Everything. See it? Everything is off. No headlights on. I got to fix the headlights so they can shine. Ooh, you can push it up. Look at there. You can push the headlights up. Didn't know that. Okay. So, I'm going to say good night. And thank you all so much for watching and watching this video for me. And I am going to say good night. And just like I said, it's a Neo electric scooter. $599. And I have heard from people that's unheard of. To run this good, it's unheard of. But this is a good one. It's a great one. So, your husband, your wife, your teenage son, daughter, you know, may need one, may want one, or you may want one. Just to ride and chill one day, or some days when you don't have to be bothered with the world. Okay? So thanks again. Appreciate you a whole lot. Bye-bye.